How you going, guys? This is for Cameron Roberts. Lebron graded die cut number to 49. Nice card. Challenge live. 10 spots. Time is 11:40. No, it's not 11:46. Let me refresh it. 12:08 and 12 seconds. Let's grab the list. I've got the gold getting engraded, so hopefully I can get this. If not, I'm selling them all anyway, so whoever wins it should take my gold off me. Jonathan on top, Jonathan on the bottom. Dice roll. We are going very slowly 3 times. There's 1, Jonathan. 2 with Lee Hill. Dice roll is a 3. Whoops. Been randomised twice. Current local time 12:09 and 10 seconds. Third and final time. The winner, Michael Blumley. Congratulations. Been randomised 3 times. Dice roll is a 3. Michael Blumley, spot 10 is the winner. Well done. Challenge complete. You need to hit me up for the other one, the gold one, Michael. It's a little bit more expensive than that, but thanks, guys.